Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book hotels on Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to create your account on Momondo or launch your Momondo account. Now, how can you create an account on Momondo? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type momondo.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Momondo. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign in button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Momondo. So now that we're here, let's learn how to book hotels on Momondo. I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have flight, stays, car rental, packages, explore, and down to feedback. Go ahead and click on stays. And it takes you here. Find a stay that's right for you. So select the location where, let's say this is London. If you want to change it, click on that and select your desired location. And the date, check-in date, check-in date and check-out date. And your room, so you can click on here to select your room. How many rooms do you want? Are you going alone or are you adding people? If you're adding people, use the plus icon. If it's just you, use the minus icon. If you're going with a child, go ahead and add that. Now go ahead and click on search. Loading up. Ta-da! We're in this page. So go over here and select the hotel that you want. Let's say this is the Academy. And I'm just going to click on that view deal button. So then take me to Expedia to book my hotel. So you were interested in this property? Awesome. So we have 5 left at, okay. So select your room. So I'm just going to click on here, the select your room option. So this is it. Takes me to this window where I'm going to find like complete details of this hotel, the small luxury hotels of the world. So ta-da! The page is loaded up completely, so you can now choose your room to have all of those options. So check this room, popular among travelers, townhouse single room. You have townhouse king, Bloomsbury twin room. So let's say townhouse single room. It says we have 5 left. So if you want to get breakfast, if you want extras, just go ahead and click on that, non-refundable or fully refundable. Then click on reserve, the reserve button. So right here, this is where you can now completely check in. So add your first name, your last name, email address, mobile number. And after doing that, you can even head over here to check the summary of your booking. And after doing that, you're going to scroll the way down, add your payments method. After adding your payment method, fill out all these details, security code, billing, CIP. Once you're done, click on complete booking. This is your check-in date, this is your check-out date. And once you click on complete booking, that's going to be it. So you can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.